Hello, welcome to Rise with Komal. Today, we are going to test your knowledge on basic greetings and introductions. So, are you ready? Let's start. Question 1. Which of the following is a greeting in English? Option A, hola. Option B, hello. And option C, bonjour. What do you think? What could be the correct answer? Your correct answer is option. You're right. It's B. Hello. Question 2. What is the formal way to ask someone how they are? Options are A. What's up? B. How do you do? Last option. How's it going? Can you guess the answer? Your guess is right. It's option B. How do you do? Next question. Which of these is an informal greeting? Option A. Good morning. B. Hey. And C. Good evening. Can you tell me the answer? Yes, you are right. Correct answer is option B. Hey. Question 4. How do you ask someone's name? Option A. What's your name? Option B. Who are you? Option C. What are you called? Your answer is C. No, I'm kidding. Your answer is A. What's your name? Question number 5. How do you introduce yourself with your name? Options are number 1 option, I'm called. Second option, they call me. And the last is, my name is. Correct answer is option C. My name is. Next question. Which is the correct response to how are you? Options are I'm fine, thank you. And you? Next option. I'm a teacher. Last option. Yes, I'm good. What do you think? What can be the answer? So the correct answer is I'm fine, thanks. And you? If someone is asking you, how are you? You can always say, I'm fine, thank you. And you? Or you can say, I'm fine, thanks. And you? Next question. What is the polite way to say goodbye in the evening? Options are goodbye. Second option is good night. And the last option is see ya. What is the right answer? Okay, I'm waiting. Right answer is option B. Good night. Next question. How do you ask someone where they are from? Options are where you are. Next option, where are you from? And the last is from where are you? Right answer is you're right. It's answer B. Where are you from? Question number 9. Which of these is a way to express gratitude? Option A, please. Option B, cheers. And last option, thank you. What do you think? What can be the right answer? Right answer is option C. Thank you. Now, let's look at the next question. How do you respond to thank you? Options are please. Next option is welcome. And the last option is you are welcome. Do you know the right answer? All right, I'm waiting. Yes, your right answer is option C. You are welcome. If someone says you, thank you, you always say, You are welcome. Question number 11. What do you say when you meet someone for the first time? Option A. Hello again. Option B. Nice to meet you. And the last option is, I have seen you before. What do you think? What is the right answer? Is it option C? No, it's option B. You are right. It's nice to meet you. Next question. How do you ask someone if they speak English? Options are, do you talk English? Next option, can you English? And the last is, do you speak English? Correct answer is? Yes, you're right. It's answer C. Do you speak English? Next question. How do you tell someone where you are from? Options are, I'm at. Second option, I live in. And the last is, I'm from. Correct answer is option C. I'm from. Question number 14. What's an informal way to ask someone how they are doing? Options. What's your condition? Option B. How's it going? And the last is, are you living well? What do you think? What is the right answer? Right answer is option B. How's it going? Your next question is, how do you introduce someone else? Options are, this is. Option B, he calls. And the last option is, here stands. What do you think? What do you think? What can be the right answer? The right answer is option A. This is. If you need to introduce someone else, you say, hi, this is John. And John, this is Sam. That's how you introduce someone else. Question number 16. How do you ask about someone's job? Options are, what's your job? Next option, what do you do? And the last is, how do you work? What do you think? The right answer should be, it's option, yes, you are right. It's option B. What do you do? Next question. How do you tell someone you don't understand? Options are, I'm lost. Next option, I don't get it. And the last is, I don't understand. Correct answer is option C. I don't understand. Question number 18. What do you say when you didn't hear someone? Options are, sorry, could you repeat that? Next option, what was that? And the last is, I missed that. Correct answer is, you're right, is option A. Sorry, could you repeat that? Next question. How do you ask someone to speak slowly? Options. Slow down, please. Next option. Can you slow? And the last is, could you speak more slowly, please? What is the right answer? The right answer is option C. Could you speak more slowly, please? This is a polite way to ask someone. If someone is talking very loudly, that's the right way you can say, could you speak more slowly, please? Okay, let's look at the next question. What is another way to say goodbye? Options are, see you later. Next option, goodbye forever. And the last option, leave now. What do you think? I think you know the answer. The right answer is option A. See you later. Question number 21. How do you respond to how do you do? Options are, how do you do? Next option, I do well. And the third option is doing fine, thanks. Your right answer is option A. How do you do? Next question. How do you ask for someone's phone number? Options. Your number, please. Next option. Can I get your phone number? And the last is, what's the number? What do you think? What is the right way to ask someone? You always say, can I get your phone number? So it's option B. Next question. What do you say when you are leaving a group? Options are A. I'm off. Next option, I leave now. And the last is group exit. What is the right answer? I'm waiting. Yes, you are right. Right answer is option A. I'm off. Question number 24. How do you ask if someone is okay? Options are you okay? Option B, what's your status? And the last option is everything good? Correct answer is option A. Are you okay? 25th question. How do you tell someone it's nice to see them? Options are good seeing you. Next option, it's nice to see you. And the last is your sight pleases me. Right answer is option B. It's nice to see you. Next question. What do you say to offer help? Option A, need me? Option B, can I help you? And the last option, you look for help? Correct answer is yes, you're right. Option B, can I help you? If someone needs your help or if you want to help someone, you can say, can I help you? Next question. How do you ask someone to be friends? Option A, shall we be friends? Option B, do you want to be friends? And the last option is friendship, okay? I think you know the answer. The right answer is option C. No, I'm kidding. It's option B. Do you want to be friends? That's the right way to say. Next question. How do you ask for someone's age politely? Options are, how old are you? Option B, if I may ask, how old are you? And the last option is, your age, please. What do you think? What is the right way to ask about someone's age? Because this is a very sensitive question. So you can say option B. If I may ask, how old are you? Next question. What do you say when you want someone to wait for you? Don't leave me. Next option. Wait for me, please. And the last is stop moving. What do you think? The right answer is yes, you're right. It's option B. Wait for me, please. Last but not the least, how do you express gratitude more formally? Options. Thanks a lot. Option B. I owe you one. And the last is I appreciate it. Correct answer is I appreciate it. So, that's the end of today's fun quiz in the English learning series. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more videos. Keep learning, and I will see you very soon. Bye.